phela compare ama-culture angafani, isiZulu nesiNdebele asifani. I-energy yani, you can't put energy on that thing. Iyasinda igolwane. The things on their legs, it's very, very, very heavy. It's very heavy. Oh, by the way, I bought a Haval. So, just in case, yes, I bought a Haval. This is my Haval. You can't compare the two cultures. Whenever Zulus are dancing, it's not the same. It's not the same. They talk like they've been in them. Exactly. They never been.